My name's Emily Nguyen. I'm the Education and Outreach Coordinator here at the Iowa State Fair, and I coordinate Fair After Darks, and tonight we're at the Little Hands Fair After Dark. This is an adult event. It's 21 and over, and people get to come. They get to experience Little Hands, mostly people who probably grew up bringing their kids through Little Hands on the farm, and tonight it's all about them. It's all about making that connection from the farm to the plate while also having a few drinks and enjoying themselves at Little Hands After Dark.
I am Kylie Peterson, and I'm representing the Iowa Beef Industry Council here tonight at the Fair After Dark event. And here in Little Hands on the Farm, we have a cattle barn that represents a feedlot in Iowa. And so we are teaching people how to make a cattle ration, and they're going to be doing that by adding each ingredient that you would be adding to a steak seasoning, and that would be very similar to making a cattle ration. And so then afterwards, they'll be able to take home their steak seasoning.
I'm Joyce Hoppus with Iowa Pork Producers Association. I have with me tonight Calla Langle, who is one of our pork ambassadors, and Amanda Ostrom, who is our pork queen. We'll be having a pork trivia question, as well as giving a sample of a pork belly on a stick.
I'm Alicia Van Vactor. I'm here with the Iowa Egg Council. Today we are out here at the Fair After Dark to serve up our new fair food of the year, is the Fairgrounds Fiesta Wonton, which is a jalapeno popper egg salad in a wonton wrapper with some hot honey and pico on it. It's really delicious.
I'm Allison Fendrick. I am an Ag Affairs Manager with Midwest Dairy, and we are here tonight at Fair After Dark, and we're going to be serving up some delicious Thelma's ice cream cookie sandwiches after they milk the Bessie cow.
So I saw on social media an awesome event for a VIP night out at the fair, and I thought, what better way than to spend a night out at the fair, and it's just fabulous. It's been so awesome, and I'm so excited to be here.
Pull down. There you go. Yep, that's perfect. You do an excellent job.
You guys have cattle?
No, but I got families. We raise show pigs.
Yeah,
so.
nice.
I have all my adult kids who grew up coming to Little Hands on the Farm for years. And then when we saw that Fair After Dark was going to be here this year, we just had to come. Oh, this is fantastic. So we actually have a family friend who came up with the concept of Fair After Dark several years ago. And so we've been coming to most of the Fair After Dark events each year that they've had them. They're great.
Cheers to Fair After Dark!